In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect Stripe to Flodesk. If you're using Flodesk for your online business and you want to accept payments from customers through your Flodesk emails or landing pages, connecting Stripe allows you to connect your payment processing with your Flodesk account. The setup is handled directly through your Flodesk dashboard, and the process only takes a few steps. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner and click on your profile circle. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Commerce Setup. This is where you can manage the payment settings connected to your Flodesk account. Once you're in Checkout Setup, look for the Stripe section. In that section, click on Manage Account to begin connecting your Stripe account. After you select Manage Account, Stripe will open in your browser. You'll then be asked to enter the email address associated with your Stripe account. Make sure you're using the email connected to Stripe rather than the email you use for Flodesk. Next, Stripe will ask you to enter your Stripe account password. Enter your password and then click Submit to continue. After signing in, Stripe will ask you which business from your Stripe account you want to connect with Flodesk. If you have multiple businesses available, select the one you want to use. There may also be an option to create a new business if that's what you need. Once you select the appropriate business, Stripe will display your business information for you to review. Take a moment to scroll through the information and make sure everything shown is correct. If the information looks right, select Agree and Submit to complete the connection. After the connection is processed, you'll be taken back to Flodesk. On the Stripe section, you should now see a green status indicator showing that the account is connected. This confirms that your Stripe account has successfully been linked with Flodesk. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Flodesk or Stripe may look slightly different depending on the version or interface you're using, but the general process is to open Checkout Setup, manage your Stripe account, sign in through Stripe, select the business, review the information, and submit the connection. And that's how you can link and connect Stripe to Flodesk.